Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to send email in Gmail. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Gmail application. To send a mail, first of all you need to tap in Compose. Here you can see many sections, that is to, subject and compose email. First of all, you provide email ID that you want to send a message to. Now go in for writing a subject, as I am going from a simple one. Now compose a email that you want to send to your friend. After your writing is done, you just tap on the send button. Tap on it. Send. Your message has been sent to your friends. For the confirmation, you tap on 3 horizontal line on top left corner. Tap on send. At the very first, you can see a message that you just composed now has been sent to your friend. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can send a mail in your Gmail to anyone or your friends. Thank you.